What up, guys? Oh, we live. We live. All right. Just getting my day going, having my coffee. Setting up my setting my stuff up here. Um so I got a crazy story. I'll tell you guys in a little bit. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Uh-oh. What did I just do? I hear the fan going on. Once I hear the fan. Good morning, good morning. Man, I got some good, bad, and ugly about last night. Jeez. Yo, what up, Sean? Dude, you want to hear something crazy that happened yesterday? Bro, I lost. I want to say I lost 4 funded accounts because Quant Tower didn't exit me out in the morning and I didn't look. I've never had that happen. So usually I exit out and I'm copy trading on these. So I just kind of click and I can view them all like this. I didn't look at my positions on Quant Tower and it blew my TPT account on Rhythmic and it blew 3 Fidias funded accounts. What's crazy is my lead account got out. Like I see my lead account is out. Now I got 3 evals over there. So I'm gonna hit it in the morning. And then I'm just gonna try and pass at least 1 Fidias account today, 1 out of 3, just so I can start loading the boat back. I don't know if I'm gonna do the Rhythmic TPT accounts anymore. It's kind of like hidden, like it's definitely hidden, and I don't really like it. I don't really like how hidden it is. I have 1 TPT account over there that is a 25K account and it's at 26,000. So I might just trade like some of that and some of the Fidias and like try to work some of those over, but I probably won't add any more to it. The only thing I'm going to keep over at Quant is probably Fidias. But on the bright side, you ready for the bright side? Ah, this is on the bright side. Last night, after hours, I bought, what the fuck did I buy? I bought IVVD. They came out with some news. I bought it at 102. I bought 4,000 shares and I sold it this morning at 135. So what is that? 33 cents times 4,000. What the fuck? I made $1,320 overnight just on that. So there's goods, there's bads, you know. Dude, you just fucking once I tell people, man, like I've been in this game for so fucking long. You just fucking roll with it, dude. You just fucking roll with it. Like I can't get mad when the copy trader doesn't work. Like, bro, it's just gonna fucking happen. That's it. It's just gonna fuck. And then sometimes you get cool shit that happens. Look at this. The ninja thing exited me out at the top. Fucking awesome. So cool. Like, you know what I mean? Like, really cool shit happens. Really bad shit happens. You know, it just happens, dude. Shit happens. You know, but iced coffee's pretty good. Oh, man. Dude, that thing worked last night, by the way. I'm up net, I'm up $420, $422 on it. Shit kind of worked. Yo, what's up, Outrageous? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. So I learned my lesson. That's not the first time that happened with Rhythmic where it showed I was in no positions, and I was. Trump train. Dude, he's just talking all types of shit, man. Yo, what's crazy is I was streaming last night. I think you were on, Sean. Dude. Last night, bro. So last night I was streaming here and I got in short right here, right? And I was like, yo, I got to go pick up food. And I got out. Oh, this is the ES. Hold on one second. Leaking Bob. Just say China. Dude, last night I streamed and I was short right here. And I was like, yo, I got to go get food. And I got out like somewhere here. Bro, if I would have just left it, I would have first hit my TP at 67, which was down here. But bro, that was wild. I was like, dude, I'm short. It just looked like we were gonna dump. Dude, that thing unloaded. You know what I might test out, Sean, is anyone test out? Oh, that's 803. That's not even the fucking Asia Open. I thought that was the Asia Open. It was 803. Crazy. Dude, that was wild. Well, either way, today I'm going to go on a rampage. I'm going to try getting as many Fadias over, and I might dip my wick in some other accounts to get them over. Also, I got some TPTs. This one's almost halfway over. I might get these, start slamming these, get them over. I don't know. I got to add to my funded batch. After that email I got, unbelievable. Dude, it hit me in the morning. I was out for a jog just before. And all of a sudden I got the email and I was like, what the fuck? I was like, what are you guys talking about? And then I found out what they were talking about. Also, let me bring up my old E-Trade account real fast. See what's crack-a-lacking in. I think I'm in OKOL or LO. I think I'm about to collect 500 smackers on that bitch. Oh yeah, we're gonna bank here. I'm just checking out how my shit's going. Baba up, Baba's up. Baidu. I just go through all my shit in the morning just to see if I'm getting fucking hosed somewhere, if it's gonna burn when I pee later on, or not, or I'm just gonna be good. You know, I just like to review my shit. What up, Max? Max, well, that's awesome. Greetings. Yo, I gotta pull that up. I should pull that up right now, right? Let me pull that up right now. Tem. I just want to make sure I'm not getting smoked in anything, or basically this is gonna be, I'm gonna make 444 on this one. It's up big with a Bank of America came out with a buy reading that's like $92. So that will be collected. I was just checking it all out. All right. Where do I find that info? I got to go look for that info, Josh. Not Josh, Sean. Where'd you get that info from? From the thing that cannot be named. From the account that cannot be named. Where'd you get that info from? I don't know what's worse. My other one that we don't talk about, or this one? I'm going to plug it in. Well, here's an account we don't talk about. All right. Oh, here it is. Oh my God. The Tradeify info. I got it. I found it. We're not talking about it. I do not have an account at this place. I most definitely do not have an account at this place. They're making me, review it, accept. Dude, I suddenly just got itchy. Bro, all of a sudden I'm itchy. Why am I itchy? Why am I so itchy, Sean? There's no account. What up, AD? Dude, I'm on early, man. I came on early to say what's up to you. I know it's like 8 something by you. So now you get me early. You can listen to me as you go to sleep now. I can talk about sweet nothings. Put you right to bed. Yeah. I'll probably come on early this dude, I even popped on last night. If anyone came on during Asia, we smashed a short and then I jumped off. We literally smashed, and if you held the short, bro, if you held the short that I was in for 5 more minutes, you made oil money. You made oil money if you just held that short. It went down like 100 points in a flash after I had to get off. Oh man. Let me set up all my copy trading and shit. Now that I'm fucking depressed about this. Let me make sure it's all set up. Yo, Sean, I told you his other account paid me, right? How crazy is that? Bro, he was getting rid of everybody. Dude, you know what I'm dealing with? This might be too much information, but dude, I was at the beach yesterday. I got sand in my bathing suit, man. I was walking around a lot. Bro, I need to put on some aloe or something. Fucking sand in my bathing suit was not good. Dude, he got rid of a lot of people. What was he doing? I heard he accused somebody of mortgage fraud. He was going bananas.
You're fired.
Oh, my volume's off.
You're fired. You're fired. You're fired.
Yo, is that what it was like? You're fired. You're fired. What up, Mr. Andy? You're fired. You're fired. You know what's so weird is on this computer, some of this shit says sensitive content, but I don't know. It might be really good, but I can't click it. I traded Asia last night live on the stream, and we donked. We donked last night. If I didn't have to leave for 5 more minutes, I would have. Dude, oil money. Oil money. We traded Asia last night, AD. And then, dude, if you're in the Discord, AD, you saw I set up Ninja Trader and Ninja Trader strategies. And Ninja Trader strategies made me this. Actually, it made me $520 last night using the Ninja Trader thing. Dude, that's what you heard 2 months ago? Oh, damn, Mr. Andy. Yo, wife changing money. Andy, what type of work you do, man? What are you looking for? Dude, I'll tell you what, the settings I used last night, I screenshotted them. I'm going to run that shit tonight, obviously. I'm actually going to run something during the day. Yeah, you hook Tradeify up to Ninja Trader AD. That's how it works. I'm on Tradeify right now. If you see Tradeify, but you can run it through Ninja. Oh man, just got the chills. I'm a golf pro. Not you. I was asking what Mr. Andy was doing. Mr. Andy said he got fired, so I was wondering what he was doing. I was a business intelligence developer. But fuck it, converting to be a trader. Bro, that sounds pretty intense, man. Business intelligence developer. Sounds very like super smart. I mean, listen, if you could be a business intelligence developer, you could probably figure out how to trade. Just being honest with you, man. What are the odds that if I golfed AD, I can beat him in one hole? I'm trying to think what the odds are. Like AD, if you go shoot right now, what's your score on like a normal course? Yo, what up, Tyler? What up? AD, what do you shoot like 72, 75? We need to I'm trying to figure out what the odds are that I could beat you in one hole. I bet you if we drank every hole, I can start beating you. Or if we played where like every drink takes a stroke off, like a gummy takes 5 strokes off. You smoke a whole blunt, you take 5 strokes off. Then I think I can get my score under yours. But I think I could beat you in one. I just need to win one hole against a golf pro. That's it. That's all I need. One hole against a golf pro. That'd be my story I tell my kids. Oh, so you average. So, yeah. So my average is probably like on a good day, I'll fire like an 87 up. And on like an average, I'm probably shooting 90 to 92. You know, somewhere in there, like high 80s, like low 90s. My big thing is par fives, baby. That's where I usually do well on the par fives. If possible, if you force me to drink while playing. Oh, you don't drink while you play? Dude, that's interesting. That's interesting. Yeah. Dude, that's crazy. The 60s. How are you not on tour hitting that? I guess you got to be like what, 4 strokes. Your average needs to be like 68 to 70 to be on tour. I'm guessing something like that. Like, what do you have to be on if to get on tour? What does your average have to look like? Dude, I need to start playing more golf, man. What are we looking like here? This thing's looking like duty. I put my spaceman out there. Previous day, I'm gonna get off the let me go to the 5 minute here. London Open, so we just took London highs, we got Asia highs. Previous day low. Actually, that would have been the fucking move right there. What was that? Dude, that just happened before. I missed that though. Dude, I want to see us take Asia lows out today. That would be the move. Take out Asia lows. Yeah, so I got some practicing to do then before I go on tour. I got a little practicing. Dude, my putting is so bad. I can't. I could drive. I can hit the ball really far. That's why the par fives play well for me. I can usually get on the green in 2. And then you ever see somebody, yo, AD, you ever see somebody get on the green in 2 on a par 5 and then 4 putt? Yo, is it even real food? I don't even know. Dude, I try to eat really good, but dude, I try to eat organic and shit like that, man. It's awful. Food is awful nowadays. Yeah, AD 4 putt that par 5 that I just got up. Yo, I'm on the green in literally 2. I'm like, yo, I just made 2 great shots. And then when I start putting, you're like, fuck. Yo, what up, Dell? What you up to? Yo, you get any more TPT payouts? You smashing? Man, this feels like we're going to revisit 371 here. Here's the 4 hour. See, before we had that Jerome fucking meeting, I thought that we would come up and around and retest these lows. That's what it kind of felt like until Jerome fucked it up. Once Jerome fucked it up. One more? Nice. Very nice. Once Jerome fucked, I literally, it looked like we were going to retrace the whole move. And then Jerome came out and said this shit on Friday. And it kind of messed my chart up, to be completely honest with you. But every time, I don't know if people believe it. I don't know. That was my original target, was the complete retrace. You could see, though, like, you know, we swept these lows. You kind of invert and you can't even hold. You know, we closed below 455. England to what? Yo, England to what you're trading, it's dry or here? I'm not sure what you said. What is that? What's up, man? England to Pakistan, Hira? What am I trading? Dude, I'm trading NQ. I'm trading NQ. What are you trading? England to Pakistan. Do you live in both or you just moved? Let's check it out. Let's go. Moving from the luscious green lands of England to Pakistan. Ah, I'm looking at your channel. All right, so you actually moved. You enjoy nature walks down to the riverbanks. I like that. You document your thoughts and your journeys. Please join me in my adventure. What's up, Ahmed? What up, man? Yo, I just checked out your channel. Cool, man. Good morning, Marie. I'm guessing you liked England better. I feel like England is better just due to the view. There's more green. Although I've never been to Pakistan, so I can't really tell you. But the food I'll take Pakistani food, dude. I love Pakistani food, man. I'll eat all that shit. Yeah, man. I don't know what England has. Like, what's English food besides, like, bro? Like, what is it? Tea, scones. Scones is English food. What are we going with English food? Scones. Tea. Like, where does England really, like, bring some, like, food where you're like, fuck, man, that's good food? I don't really know what they got. Like, they probably don't hit hard with pizza. Yo, what up, Harris? What up? Good morning. They probably don't hit hard on the pizza front or like Mexican food. I don't know. Like they don't have Indian food. Like, what's English food? Yo, Pakistani food, man. Yeah, Dustin. I mean, the spices, the freaking meat. Now it's all processed. Yeah, but I'm just saying. Like, so what food is in England that's like, yo, you got to try this. Like you go to England, you're like, yo, you gotta hit this type of food hard. What are we looking at? Tea. I obviously would have to have tea in England. I would have to have scones. Not a big scone guy. Uh, I don't know what they got over there. Wine. I'm guessing some wine. I'm thinking, dude, what's the best? What is? Here we go. Fish and chips. Yo, England's known for fish and chips. Shepherd's pie, kidney pie, bangers and mash, sausages with gravy. Traditional English breakfast is eggs, bacon, sausages. Afternoon tea, scones, toffee pudding, sponge cake. I don't know, man. Chicken tikka masala they got over there. So they got some Indian influence. Listen, Pakistani food is just crushing it. Yo, you come to New York, you got a lot. Yeah, I'm out on kidney pie. Yo, what up, Husk? What up? I would think they have good fish because it's the water's right there, but I don't know, man. I'm out on that. I yeah, I'm out on that. New York's got a lot of good food, man, because when you come to this city, there's pockets like you'll go into like Chinatown and it's all Chinese. Like the signs are Chinese, like everything's Chinese. Like the food is amazing. And then you go out of there and you go somewhere else and like, bro, you can get any type of food you want in New York, man. It's even by me, I'm not in the city and I can go to different areas. So I go to this place that's not too far from me and it's all Indian. Like fucking the signs are Indian, the supermarkets are Indian, like bro, like everything is Indian. Like it's crazy. And that's where I go get my Indian food, and then I'll go somewhere else for, other type of food. You know, it's crazy. Hold on. Who is that? What do you want? I don't have water in here, dude. All right, so just go downstairs. Yeah. Dude, I'm just waiting here. The market's not moving, and I'm waiting for the open at this point because I would have probably have taken this, being that we took these lows. This was probably the move, previous day low. I don't know why that says previous. Oh, the previous day low. Yeah. It's right there. It's not like we swept it though. We swept it previously already, so it's not that big of a deal. But that was probably the only thing I probably would have taken this morning. Other than that, by the way, Ninja Trader smashed overnight. If you guys are in the Discord, Ninja Trader smashed last night for $520. Um, I have my settings. I'll throw it in the Discord if you're curious. I I got a couple things up. All right, now I just got to make sure my copy trader is working real fast. I just got to do a quick dry run. Let me just see that everything's working here, guys. Stop loss. Got to make sure my stop loss is in. So because I'm so transparent and I could easily hide it and I'm not. So yesterday, I traded the open and my copy trader kept me in on 4 funded accounts and I didn't know it. And I blew 4 funded accounts. I blew a TPT account and I blew 3 Fidias funded accounts, all because the copy trader said that I was out and I wasn't. I got the email this morning where I was on a run. What up, Chris? So I got this email that said I blew my funded account on TPT, and I'm like, yo, I'm not in anything. So I don't know how I blew it. And I was trading TPT last night, and all my accounts are here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I was like, that's weird. And then I was like, holy shit, that's my quant tower one. So then I just came in this morning to look at my quant tower, and yeah, my lead account is fine. Here, I'll show you guys because I'm fucking super transparent about everything. So this is my lead account. This is my lead Fidias account, which is 52,443. And then look, here's my other Fidias account, which obviously isn't even close to that. And these are my other ones. They all got they all hit the bottom. And here's my pro account, which was at $51,000. So I don't know if it got stuck long. I don't know what I don't know what I was stuck in. It might have been super up at one point because the market went all the way up and then down. I don't even know what happened. But they're gone. And I have these 3 evals. I'm hoping to pass one of the 2 to pump it in. But yeah, I'm kind of, it sucks. And I was going to, up until today, I was going to stack on my rhythmic accounts, but I am not. I'm just going to leave my Fidias accounts in quant so I can use quant tower. And then outside of that, I like just being able to flip and just being like, okay, I'm out. And I can just visually look on my screens to be like, all right, I'm out. Like, just, with quant, it's kind of weird because I clicked this and showed positions at 0. So I thought I was out already. But being that this showed 0 and I was still in, you'd have to go through each account individually. And it's harder to figure out which one's what I'm in. So I'm not going to build up my rhythmic accounts anymore. I'm just going to stay on Tradeify, and it is what it is. Yeah, I mean, listen, you think it's the first or last time something's going to malfunction that's going to fuck me? I mean, it is what it is. What up, TJ? Yo, TJ, you were on last night. Did you hold that short? Anybody that was on last night hold that short for 5 more minutes? Bro, if you held that short for 5 more minutes, you got like 100 points. It just don't. It just dumped. I had to go out, but it literally. Oh, look, here's the short. You can see I got out right here. My stop was like I think my stop was hot this high. It was at 522. And I was like, all right, I'm gonna head out and go get, what do you call it? I had to go get food. And I got out right here. And literally, I got out at 5:55. If I would have just held, which I would have, there's no reason why I would have exited the position, because that's not up. Dude, I would have caught at least $1,000 on this because it just flashed down. I would have caught at least 1,000. I put in for my payout last night and got approved already. Yo, there you go. Yo, what up, Pine? What up? What up? Yo, Apex is good when you follow the rules. I find it to be good. I don't see any issues with them. I got to catch the night shift. Dude, I don't pop on every night, but last night we smashed. And if you held, you smashed even more. But being that I'm away, I could pop on at night. You know, if we're not doing anything or I'm waiting to go out, I could pop on for a half hour, 40 minutes, make some banger trades and jump off. But yeah, last night was a straight banger. I should have just kept my shit in. My take profit was down here. I just didn't because we were leaving. I was like, yeah, I'm up a quick hundy. But I was playing it in this account. I was playing it in 3 funded accounts. So it would have smashed big, but did not. But I just left. It is what it is. It is what it is. All right. I'm making sure my all right. So I'm doing a dry run real fast on my copy trader. Let me just make sure this shit works. Let's see. Let me just make sure this works. Okay. Boom. Always got to make sure my shit works. Got to do a quick little dry run. Oh no. Yo, it's definitely we smashed overnight in I smashed overnight in Ninja. I gotta shut some of this stuff off before I Super Green Day. Let's see what happens at the open though, BK. That's what's going to determine the whole shebang. The whole shebang. Here you go. For anyone that's on early. If I can keep the duck race fraud down, we're going to do duck race today. The duck race fraud is rampant. The duck race fraud is rampant these days. Yo, I'll tell you what, BK, I'm going to run that strategy tonight. And if it works again tonight, actually, I'm going to let it run 4 nights. If I'm green 4 nights in a row, I'll load it up in, what do you call it? In a funded account. Without a doubt. Duck race fraud. Yo, it's so funny how we do the duck race. Everybody, all these randoms submit, and then you do the number game, and they're gone. Dunzo. Bro, I'm going to fire it the fuck up. Hopefully I hit. Yesterday, I should have lost both, Sean, but I won one, lost one, which then makes the stats even better. But who fuck knows, man? If I hit the first one, I'm not doing the second one. Can we use it on TPT accounts? I'm pretty sure you can. Here, let me look. So what's weird is it's not really a bot. So a bot is when it trades. So a bot is when it trades like a lot, where you're like, like you're trading a lot, and that's what they don't want. If you ran it, I bet you nothing would happen. How's that sound? My funded futures actively allows it though. But for argument's sake, like I'll show you the trades like last night. Banger, loss. So hit, loss, hit, hit, hit. You could probably set it. See, like it's not taking a ton of trades. I could probably set it. I'm wondering if I could set it to once I'm up like $500 to can it for the day. Nah, Marie, it's kind of like an indicator, but there's a strategy behind it. The strategy is programmed in. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. All right. So basically, it's not I don't even have it. I don't have NinjaTrader up to take resources to use less resources at the open. I don't have it up currently. But it basically it gets in and out depending on the strategy. Yeah, I got to talk to Scotsman about that, BK, because I was obviously up at one point $580 more because you could see you could see the drawdown. I would like to cap it at like $500. Yeah, you have to set it up as a strategy, and you got to make sure you download. It's in the Discord. I put it in this morning. Ninzarenko, because that's the candles that it works off of. So you got to download Ninzarenko candles, and you download the Ninzarenko candles. You load that up, so you're going to use that instead of regular candles. Good morning, Jim. I'll bring it up after the open. I'm just trying to I don't want my quant tower to fuck up in the morning. So I took off all the shit that I don't need. Yeah, download that file. It's in the main chat. And I mean, I'm gonna use it. Just remember, every once in a while it fucks up at night. I don't know what causes it, but every once in a while it will get in like 2 positions instead of 1, and then it only sells 1 out. I've definitely been in that. But you should be able to set for a daily TP or a daily stop loss just so you don't completely hose the accounts. I don't know. It's not programmed in there. But what you can do, you can set the daily loss in your actual account, and then it won't take any more trades. Like you can set it in here. Good morning from jail, Maria. We have a special inmate here that joins us on the stream. Inmate 69 from jail. I don't have the best settings, Maria, yet, just so you know. Like, I'm still playing around with the settings. Like, I got lucky today. Look, I top tick this one for $300. I'm just being honest with you. I don't exactly, there's definitely different settings at night and during the day. And I got to really chart it every day on Excel to be like, all right, I use these settings at night. This is what the results are, results, and then just see what happens. That's where I'm at. The ES is better. Somebody told me to use it on YM. I haven't tried it out. ES is better than the NQ. The NQ is pretty rough. My results on the NQ have been awful. Gold is not terrible either. Like gold was up last night. I did 109 in gold. Oh my God. Yeah, so like YM might be the way. I was going to play with that today. Zaybak. I was going to play with the YM. I was going to add it on was it U5, I guess? Yeah. Yeah, see how it kind of trends? Like you'd probably be able to get a smoother I'm gonna I'll load it up today. I'll fire it up like Busta Rhymes. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, check this shit out. Oh, is it? Look at that. Bro, that's how I'm starting my day off in my Robinhood account. This isn't even a big account. I have a small Robinhood account because I got the credit card. By the way, the credit card's awesome. Look at that, $3,200. The credit card's awesome in Robinhood. It's 3% back on everything. So first of all, I did a small account to see how Robinhood actually was. I was never a fan of it. And then I put some money in there because I wanted the fucking gold card, which the gold card is freaking awesome, by the way. It's made out of metal. It's a metal. It feels metal. I don't know. Maybe it's plastic. Bro, it's like thick. It's like a cool fucking look. It's a cool card. And it doesn't have any info on the front. It's pretty awesome, actually. Yeah, 3%, no limit. So I got it. So now I have money in here. Plus, then I started doing those IPOs. Maria, we did the bullish IPO and we did the other IPO. Fig. So then I was like, cool, I can do IPOs in there. So that was cool. And then but I never really put a lot of money in there because I actually don't love trading on it. I like trading on E-Trade, but I'm up a fuck ton of money today. I'm up $3,200 in my Robinhood account. I sold something. It's just going bananas. So that makes up for losing my 4 funded accounts. Makes me feel a little bit better about myself. But yeah, it's 3%. Then they got all these things, all these rewards. Let me see what it is. Let me go to the credit card section of it. There's like another app for the credit card. It's not on the actual. Yeah, 3% cash back. You earn 5% cash back when you book travel through Robinhood Travel. 5% is crazy. And then you can get different cards. Like if you want, you can have the stainless steel card, which is cool. They have like mystery boxes you can unlock. What else they got? You could save 50 cents per gallon of gas when you use your gold card at BP, Amoco, AMPM, and Sunoco. Save 50 cents. Like 50 cents a gallon. Yo, what up, Monet? You can do a lot of things. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I actually like that card the best out of all of them. All right, it's almost time to get to work here. One more test just to make sure all my shit's working. All right. Time to get this shit. I am not a bot. Yo, what up, DB? We got 2 minutes to open. 2 minutes to open. Oh, I just cracked my back. That's what a bot would say. Oh, that's so funny. Nah, DB's been around. You missed some crazy moves. Dude, DB, if you would have held for 5 more minutes, oil money, baby. Oil money. We were short. I had to leave. If I would have just hit my TP, it would have been like $1,000 in like 3 funded accounts. Believe me, I'm so annoyed. So annoyed when I came back. I saw. I was like, "Fuck." All right, time to look at this shit. I don't have the chat up, just so you know. I can't see the chat until I'm done with this. This is the open. And let me just do this. Let me just play this real quick, and then I'll look at the chat. Let's go. Let's make it hot. And we open. Oh, I don't trust this shit at all. Bro. I got fucking wicked in. I'm fucking, there we go. I lost on both ways. Wait. I just heard a signal. Hold on. Why did I just hear another signal? Yeah. Dude. I'm just looking to see if I'm in anything. Dude, that was a choppy ass fucking open. That was a choppy ass open. I'm just looking at something real fast. I'm just looking. Hold on. I'm just fucking looking at the I'm switching to 90. Okay. Dude, that was crazy. Now I got to figure out how to. Dude, it only goes up. Come on, baby. Whoa. Why was that stuck in? That's what I'm talking about. Dude, that's an order that's a ghost order. That's a fucking ghost order right there. That's a ghost order. Nothing. Dude, this is what you gotta watch out for. Fucking ghost orders hanging out. All right, now I gotta switch my Dude, I got to get back to my thing. Dude, isn't that crazy? I've never had like a green ghost order. It's the only account that they left a ghost order in. Isn't that crazy? It's the only account that left an order in. Crazy. Uh, just watching. Just watching and waiting. Come on. Damn, they retraced that whole move. Dude, what's crazy is it swept Asia highs and dumped. I think we go back up there though. Yo, what up? I knew it. I'm away also, man. Where are you at? I just want to recalculate this, make sure VWAP is where it is. What do you think? They're going to come down to 64 here? Sweep the lows. Oh, I got an awful entry. How the fuck did I get that entry? Oh my god. I wanted to get the entry down here. Dude, sometimes I feel like if I'm not on my home computer, just everything goes fucking bad. I wanted to get in down here, but whatever. That wasn't bad. Cross 5 accounts. Oh, your truck broke. That sucks, dude. I'm just letting this thing settle down a little bit. Dude, that was a big fucking. I feel like we're in for another choppy day. You got NVIDIA earnings tomorrow after hours. Let me move this to 1 minute. Watch it blow through. We might see the same shit as yesterday where we run here. We run and then we fucking die out. Me? Yeah. No, why? No. Yeah, I just want to see this settle down a little bit. I'm just waiting for it to settle down. I'm telling you, we might chop because of NVIDIA earnings tomorrow. They're just kind of waiting. Kind of just feels choppy. Two minutes into the orb set. I'm just waiting. No need to have some premature evaluation right here. Oh, this is the 5 minute. Watch this. Shit's just dying off. What up, Stock Itch? You know what's wild? It's at 23,500. So it's just kind of like has a magnet there almost. Just trading around this range, just waiting. It's going to go. No real buying pressure, but I feel like this is gonna. Yeah, it's still within the 5 minute range. I mean, this is a 5 minute chart right here. You can kind of see. It feels like there's more selling than buying, without a doubt. Even though we might be up on the day a little bit, it's feeling fucking heavy. It's definitely feeling heavy. So you can look at the higher time frames here. Watch them just push this down. I wouldn't I wouldn't do shit right now personally, but I'm just dicking around in a I'm dicking around in an eval on fucking Fidias on no, it's not letting me even fucking buy. All right, so now this is getting interesting here. We just Dude, I think we're going to go all the way to 371. We're going to see Asia lows. It's probably where I think we're going to end up going at some point today. I'm not saying we're going to go straight there, but it seems like we're going to Asia lows. Dude, smashing the bids. We're at previous day low. Not that it really matters because we've swept it so many times, but feels like there's more downside coming. I can't short it only because we're so far down on the. Fuck, man. US consumer confidence is at 10. So you got 11 minutes till news hits. After that news hits, I might fire up Ninja. I'm just going to wait until. What are you looking for, Sean? I think we're going to go. I think we're going to Asia lows, which was like 371. I have a feeling eventually we're going to give that whole candle up, Harris. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of where I think we're going to end up going. The problem is I have almost no drawdown in this account, so I need to get a good fucking entry. I need a good entry here. Oh, look at this. Am I going to fucking take this? I have no drawdown in this account, so I am I need this to rip. That's the orb. That's the bottom orb right there. Look at this fucking trade. Look at this fucking trade. Watch. Get over this. Dude, I'm moving my stop up, man. I am fucking not. Bro, holla at your boy. Holy shit. Keep going. There you go. Oh, what I end up making off that? $250. Yo, it needed it. Fucking drawdown was bad on that. Needed it. Needed it. Yo. Dude, that was awesome. Yo, that's why I pushed my stops up. Like, it could still go. I just don't want to take. Look, I would be down fucking 15 points. Like, you can always re-enter. You know, if you still like it, re-enter. Yeah, that's kind of was my thinking, Sean, was unless we get down there, I don't feel like we're gonna get some massive reversal. It just feels heavy. I think the stars just aligned for that fucking. It was good for the bounce. Yeah, I cannot believe I got out at the very bottom. What made you get out at the bottom? I got in. Uh, I got in. I mean, you could see we inverted. Holy shit, dude! We just popped. We inverted right here after sweeping this low. That's why I liked it. Dude, that banged. You took profit. I thought you were long and got stopped out at the bottom. Oh, that's awesome. Dude. That's awesome then. Bro, it's fucking freezing in this room. Hold on, I need to get a hoodie. I got this AC vent that's just blowing all over my face. Hold on. I'm back. I'm back with a fucking hoodie on. Oh man. Ah. Yeah, I don't trust this shit. I mean, you're back in this freaking. I don't know. It's not. It's not what I look for, so I'm just waiting it out a little bit. I'm waiting it out, people. I will say it sucks trading on vacation on a freaking. Yo, what up, Lee? All right, I'm about to fire this shit up. Oh, 50 points from, yeah, I mean, could have definitely got 50 points. Sean, you're telling me, man. Do I have YM on here? Dude, I'm curious what this looks like. I never used the YM on this thing. That's at the end, it's just about taking profits, man. Like, it's just about taking profits. You know, I don't hold the whole fucking time. You know, it's hard, man. It's hard to hold the whole fucking time. First of all, you got to really trust the shit, which I don't trust it going up at this point because we really didn't take out Asia lows or we didn't take out, we didn't really take it, we took out that wick, you know. I don't know how much I trust it. All right. I'm gonna test this shit out on the YM and let's see what happens. Hopefully it plays. Hopefully it bangs. Yo, if it bang, she bangs. She bangs. Um. Oh, consumer confidence just came out. Why is this account still in here? Did this not blow? It blew. I don't know why it's still in there. All these accounts are fucking old. I don't understand. Actually, it looks good to the upside. If it didn't feel so fucking heavy the last couple days, you kind of got ahead. You kind of got a shoulder ahead, a little shoulder, and now up through. This eval needs a serious fucking work. Do not try this at home. This is all or nothing because this eval is so far fucking down. I need to get it like over. I hate trading evals that are down so much, to be honest with you. Dude, it can't hold over Asia highs, but it looks like it could fucking rip. Oh, that account's going to be gone. I actually didn't even know I had it up until yesterday, which is fucking hysterical because I thought I was out on all my Tradeify accounts. And then yesterday I logged in and I was like, oh, wow, I still have a Tradeify account. If they close above Asia highs and gets out of this red area, so basically over 522, you're going to see a massive move to the upside. It needs to get out of here. I think the whole market's waiting on NVIDIA earnings. It's almost, that's what it feels like. Oh, you know what I didn't do though? Oh no. Oh, it didn't fucking. It's not in anything, is it? Dude, I'm playing around with this thing. No, it didn't enter at all. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, that's because they came out with some shit. Josh, Trump was talking. Honestly, I personally dropped the ball on nuclear because nuclear. Trump is big into nuclear, man. I should have just fucking donked my balls all over nuclear and just held it. I should have bought any dip on CCJ, that OKLO. I should have went heavy. Well, yeah, that's what it is. These companies are wanting to build, like I think Meta or Microsoft said they want to build a nuclear plant right by their data fucking places. Dude, it's crazy. I'm holding this account till the end. It's either going to blow or. Damn, Bartolo. Dude, just trade 8 days real fucking calm. Yeah, I would trade 8 calm days. That's probably your best bet. Get $50 a day and then just request again, you'll get paid. Yo, for some reason, I have the hardest time passing Tradeify accounts. I don't know what the deal is. Your account is at P&L 12. Oh wow. Dude, just trade nice and easy, man, and you'll get paid. Just get $50 a day for fucking 8 days and then request. That's it. Don't go crazy. Just just 8 days. Just 8 days, $50. $50 make you holla, then get paid, dude. Oh, this is fucking so choppy. Yeah, man. Especially that you're up so much, I would just get $50. 8 days. Re-request. There goes that Tradeify account. Bro. Why? How? Up 1,700 on GC? That's solid. Somebody said to play the on. How many days do I need to get funded on Apex? You can pass in 1 day. You can pass in 1 day, Maria. Oh yeah, you could definitely pass in 1 day. Yo, Josh, you want to hear? Are you here? First of all, I banged on. I'll show you. Yo, check this shit out, Josh. There was news after hours. Dude, I mean, it was risky as shit. It was a $1 stock. But there was news after hours on this like COVID fucking vaccine on IVVD. No, I gotta go to my other screen. Yo, look at that shit. They're up 3,200. This is my small Robinhood account, fucking stacked in it. I bought it after hours. I bought 4,000 shares and sold it this morning at 135. Bro, I almost had to go to the hospital this morning. I was up for almost 4 hours. I didn't know that one USD move is 100. No way with gain halal dua. Bro, awesome game, dude. Awesome game. Oh man. Dude, I sold that shit. It's locked. It's in my pocket. Yeah, 3,200. Plus, we're having a little bit of a good day here too. It's like 4 Gs. Yo, but I blew fucking some fundeds, which suck. But listen, I take the day I have. Dude, I missed out on that flush by 5. I was streaming live last night, and I missed that fucking. I missed the pump. I'm done with these accounts for today. I'm done with these accounts today. I would like to take. Oh my god, I was just gonna fucking jump in on this. Just go for a fucking ride. Joe, I missed it by 5 minutes. I had to go pick up food for everybody while I'm away. I feel like I'm drunk. Who the F write that message? Bro, I couldn't even understand what you wrote. Yo, I didn't even know what you wrote. Yo, if we can close above 522, I think this thing's gonna rip. I missed the flush last night. Did I just fucking do that? I'm still in. Nope, fucking out. I was in this long, missed it. I don't know if I'm gonna stay in this YM shit. Why is the Y? Maybe you know what? Hold on 1 second. I need to increase the data series on this YM shit. Oh, I gotta reset this bitch. I don't know, man. I think we're gonna go fucking. It can't stay above the Asia highs, which is crazy. I thought we were finally breaking out. Are you going to take a short here with a stop at fucking 528? The fuck? No. Yo, it's choppy as shit right now. I honestly, Sean, I think we're gonna go up. You kind of have, it's not perfect, but it's almost like a tweezer on the 5. I think eventually it makes its way up. I would say we're more likely to hit 610 than we are Asia lows. I also think they're going to pump it. I also think they're going to pump it back. NVIDIA earnings is tomorrow. I think they're going to pump it for NVIDIA earnings. Just throwing it out there. We're not doing anything right now, but if you look at the 5, they've wicked it 1, 2, 3 wicks. You're going nowhere. Retest of the bottom of the range is doable. Great. The whole economy is being held up by a video card company. Dude, you know how much percent the NVIDIA makes up? First of all, when NVIDIA reports earnings, it tells you the demand of the chips, which has got a huge fucking impact over the NQ. Plus their profits. Dude, their earnings are going to decide where we're going for the next couple days. They are the company right now. They're a driving force, and what they represent is bigger. I mean, they're representing AI basically. NVIDIA is AI right now. So if shit's slowing up on their end, then AI is slowing up, and then when you got a big fucking problem. I just think if we can finally close over five, I think it was up here. I mean, an actual close. I do think it rips all the way back up. Probably target way the fuck up. Get a close up here. Come on, pop it, baby. Send it to the moon. I want to see the moon. Insane recovery on Trader. Yeah, dude, for whatever reason I have trouble passing those fucking Tradeify accounts. Like I like Tradeify. I don't know. You know what it is? It's the soft $1,200 limit that fucking gets me. Dude, I'll be honest with you. I don't even know if I like the I don't know how much I like this fucking YM. I'm not going to give up on it, but I'm just looking at it. I'm looking at it like yesterday. I'll keep it going. I'll keep it going. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I mean, I'm trading it on Ninja through I'm trading it on Ninja. And and I'm testing out what I like. But I don't know. It's fucking obviously super choppy today, so I don't want to just I don't want to judge it, but man, this thing's going for it. Successfully wiped out my Bulenox funded accounts. Shorting, I would assume shorting. Dude, this thing's got previous day high written on it. I should have just fucking held. I think it's going all the way up to the I think it's going to make its way all the way up. If it comes back down and retests that purple line, I might grab. It's got to come down and retest though. I'm not chasing it up here. Oh, I'm just looking at my phone to see what everybody's fucking doing. Come on, come back down. I'm just looking. Yo, what up, Matt? Yo, Waldo, what up? Yo, I emailed you back, Waldo. I think I took care of it. Boom, boom, boom. Look at this shit, man. I feel like it's kind of fucking hanging right here, and we're gonna pop. Just I feel like we retraced into this fair value gap and we just bounced out. We still got more of the move left. And that's why I just fucking FOMO'd in. But we'll see. Yo, it's Mo Bro. What up, Mo Bro? Dude, I want to see this fucking. I'm moving to BE though pretty quick. I'm moving because obviously I fucking got an awful entry. So I'll just ride this as a free trade and we'll see what happens. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. It fucking is what it is. I obviously FOMO'd in, but I'm out. I really wanted to get it at 36. Bro, I am out on this YM bullshit, by the way. I'll revisit this another time. I am out on YM. Dude. This YM fucking chop is not fucking good for what I'm using it for. Yo, what up, CT? Yeah, that YM is not what I want to be. I swapped back on Ninja Trader to ES. What up, Brian? Yo, CT in the house. Work is light today. No work, chilling out. What up, Tack? What up? What up? What up? Oh, stretching. Yeah, this is. Dude, the morning presented us with some trades and then it's kind of fucking died out. I'm waiting though. I'm patiently waiting. Waiting on some meetings. Yo. Too bad the day wasn't a little bit better, man. I'll be honest with you, we're just chopping. It feels like it's just waiting on NVIDIA tomorrow, which is crazy to think about. But just feels that way. Coming back down, coming back. The morning presented us with. Yo, nah. Oh, jeez, dude. We haven't gone anywhere. We're just hanging. You kid pokered yourself into oblivion. He was on last night. I was talking to him. I mean, if we're gonna continue up, you want to hold this area. I got crushed at the open. I don't like taking trades like this all the way up high, to be honest. I'd rather wait until we get a dip, until we get a real dip. Dude, I told him last night, man. I was like, bro, your biggest problem is you just can't take a loss. Like, argument's sake, I showed him, like, if we dropped here, you would short, you'd be up. And then after, like, the structure broke back up to the upside, like, you got to just be out and say, hey, man, it's not going down. But he would just stay in. And it's like, dude, we came down. Like, you could just tell, like, we're going up. Like, why continue holding? And I don't know. You know, I was trying to help him out. I think he understands it, but in the moment, he just can't take the loss. Yeah, just do anything. Just do something. Oh, I'm just trying to. I don't know, dude. I'm trying to figure out what account. This is what I don't like about Rhythmic. 710. Oh, here we go. All right, cool. Boom. Something simple as dirt. He needs to follow 9. Yeah, I mean the 9 EMA definitely, would be a help. Definitely the 9 EMA would be one step in the right direction. It's just so crazy how you can hold. Like I've seen straight up like trend days where you're like, yo, this is just going up for the whole day. And he's like, I'm still in short. And I'm like, what? Like, what are you doing, dude? Bro, I don't understand how he loses all the time, but yet takes max payouts. I don't understand it, dude. How is he taking max payouts, CT? He does it off the stream. Ah, good thought process, Stockage. He's got to be doing. It's either not real. I don't even know. It's not real, or he's not. I don't get how you can constantly do it off the stream. I just don't. I don't understand. If I was doing it off the stream at max payout, I would be recording the fucking screen as I was slamming it for thousands every day. Like I'd be like, "Yo, yeah, Kid Poker's been around, dude." He told me he's been around for 3 years doing this. 3 years, and he's gotten 8 payouts. He said it last night. I was like, dude, if you've been around for 3 years and got 8 payouts, like it's all about you just holding. It's not as easy to Photoshop videos. Dude, I just don't understand. I would be like, bro, I just fucking slammed this. You'd hear me on my like Loom, my screen recorder, being like, yo, I'm not fucking live, but look at this trade, and I'm just slamming it. I would want to record it for you to see it because it's awesome. But that's me. Dude, I just grabbed something in an eval. see what happens. Let's see if it dumps. I think it's going to reject and come all the way down. Goes down further. I think we need a balance at 520 land. Come on. Come on. Come on down, baby. Come on. Push it. Just push it down. Come on. Come get my order. Come get it. Push it. Push it. Come on. Don't be that fucking, don't be like that. Don't be like that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just one quick fucking pushy Magoo down. That's all I'm looking for. Fucking push it down. It looks heavy, which of course means new highs, baby. New highs. Oh, come on, man. Just push it. Get me in. I want to be in. So the reason I like this, if I do get in, stochastics are pushing way down and price isn't really going down that much. Pushing Magoo is hilarious. Come on. There. I have premature biulation because you won't. I refuse for it to come down and not get any. I refuse to not get any. So I was forced to buy, but I got a lot of orders waiting at 520. Come on. Just fucking grab it. You're just going to just grab that ass and then come back up. Oh, is it not going to grab this? Get the fuck out of here. Get out of here. What? 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 Come on. Listen, I don't need a lot of fucking money here. Look at that. That's $140 in a that's $140 real fast. Yo, that was a fucking baller ass trade, by the way. I grabbed that here. Oh, I'm still in it. I'm still in it. All right. I got a little bit of money there. That was fucking sweet. And I got it in my quant. My quant. Look at my quant. I got it in my quant tower. Yo, I got it, Chris. I was not fucking denied. Dude, I might go back in. Dell, did you say suck on that thing, bro? What? What are we talking about? Like, oh no! I didn't know it was copy trading on fucking 5 accounts. I did not know that was copy trading on 5 fucking accounts, to be honest. Fuck me. Now that I know it's copy trading on 5 accounts, I'll just fucking. Bro, I should have just held it. There we go. I didn't know it was copy traded on 5 accounts at first. If I would have held that though, that would have been nice fucking smasher Rooney. Smash, smash, smash Rooney. Dude, what the fuck? We got a Diddy party to go to? I'm just playing one minion in eval I got. I'm just fucking. I got a small ass stop. I'm just moving my orders around. Dude, how do I get the fucking sound to stop? Fucking sounds are like. There we go. I got rid of my sounds. This fucking thing's annoying. Every time I move an order. I just got out, by the way. I'm out. Shit's annoying. I don't drink energy drinks. This a Hove party. Yo, once they started talking Jay-Z, that thing got swept under the rug, bro. Can't be talking Jay-Z. This thing's gonna fucking just go. I don't trust this. This is why I'm going. I can get, yo, dude, this thing's just freaking hanging up here. I would say you're more likely to hit 615 than you are Asia lows, CT. That was my opinion earlier on, that we're probably going to hit 615 before we hit 370, whatever, 373. That's just my personal opinion. Am I buying and holding till I hit 615? No. You know, it just kind of seems that way. Damn. It just kind of seems that way. Fuck. I got to throw this out. It's making marks on the the countertop. It's like all the water is gonna leave a ring. Hold on one second. Bro, guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. There we go. Seems like the duck race fraud is done for today. Duck race fraud. Duck race fraud. Boom, 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 boom. Psh, 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 psh. Dude, look how fucking choppy this is. Look how choppy we are. I mean, this is choptastic. I mean, we're just not doing any. It's just, dude, it's crazy. I mean, that's the only thing I can think of is the markets are waiting for Nvidia. I mean, I don't know. It's definitely pretty. It's definitely pretty rough. That I will tell you. Oh, I need one more good trade. I mean, you're gonna have to wait, Sean, for a little bit. You're gonna have to wait. Yeah, a lot of people are away. Is futures open on are futures open on Monday until like 1 p.m. or are futures closed? CT. Actually, I'll look. Let me see. Um, let me see. Oh, futures is going to halt at midday on Monday. Was it noon or 1 p.m.? I guess. I'm looking. I'm looking. Yeah. Oh, it's open till 1 p.m. Yeah, that's what I thought. I'll definitely be trading. I'll definitely be on. Dude, I just don't see this. I just don't feel like this is going to go down. CT's shooting a lot of OnlyFans scenes right now. He's pretty busy. Come on, man. Pump it. Pump it. Actually, stay in this range for a little bit. Consolidate, then pump. I think we're more likely to see 615. You start your own feet finder? Dude. I was having a conversation about all those sites the other night, and I was like, it's so crazy how these people are making money on this shit. And the amount of money they're making. Yeah. Yep. I was. I was. We were just talking about how crazy it is, dude. The amount of money is like absurd. And what's crazy is you can just go on the internet and find it all for free. So it's just kind of like, it's just insane. It's insane. I think this is gearing up for a pop. Come on. I'm just waiting. Why did this not fucking. Why did it not code that as a. Oh, yeah, it did. Okay. I just moved to break even. I got two cons. I got rid of one con. I get rid of one con. Yo, there we go, boys. There we go. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it, motherfucker. Go. Yo, if we can push this over 50, still made good money. What did I do? 120 and 45, 165. 165 mega holler. Yup. I might What up, Steve? I'm not copy trading this shit, but I just grabbed a quick just a little 5-piece McNugget real quick. See what happens. Listen, if I can get out, I can make a couple bucks off of Scalpy McScalperson. Now that we're going, I want it to hold right there. Needs to hold. Come on, baby. Yo, I'm taking this shit. Quick 72. Boom. Hey, man, just trying to stack gains on gains on gains. Try to make myself feel good. I do think we exit this flag to the upside at some point. There you go, CT. Get it, dude. Yo, London close in a minute. What do you think? We get a pumpadoo? Little pumpadoo? Pump action? Thirty seconds to the close. Oh. Do I dare buy right there? Do I dare buy right before the close for a scalp? Yo, let's see if it fucking rips real fast. Am I gonna make it? Come on, please. Come on, I'm not looking for much. I'm not looking for a long time. I'm just looking for a good time. Come on, London close. Come on. Go green. Go green. Do it. Just do it for me. There we go. A little fucking money maker there. Shake your money maker. I will say this would not be a bad bounce spot. Come on. Dude, why has this not taken any trades, by the way? I just want to make sure this is on. Oh, it is on. Okay. I'm just letting it fucking run. I was just kind of maybe because we haven't gone anywhere. I think we're going to see at least the top of this range again. Oh, this market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Come on. This is rough, man. This is definitely rough. Yo, what up, Roa? How's the market been? I'm looking younger. It's just the camera's better, I think. This is what I normally look like. I'm on my I'm away. I'm on an Airbnb. I'm on my new laptop, so it has like a brand new camera. Fucking, that's funny though. I think the sound's good too. Shitty month, but back in track. Hey, you should get back on track, man. That's what it's about. There's gonna be ups, downs. Somebody's gonna be like, wait, you guys have ups? But yeah, bro, I held my laptop on my head the whole night. Yeah, I put the portable camera that I don't need right now. I'm just gonna use duct tape. I'll just wear it like this. Man, there's no way that somebody is like, yo, we're going one way or another right now. Like, this thing is just chopping. This thing's just chopping. Yo, maybe we should play a guessing game. What is the red light? Don't worry about it. Yo, why are you holding a laptop on your fucking head? Yo, we always go to the right. That I will say. I just don't feel the need to jump in anything right now. All the cool kids are doing it. Just do it. You want to run the number game, Brushan? All right, I'll run numbers. You want to run numbers? If you don't know what the number game is, you can guess as many times as you want. It's a random number between 1 and 100. This gets you into the ball sack race. If you want to go straight to the ball sack, this is how you got to win. You ready? Hold on. You got to go straight to the ball sack. Ready, set. Oh man, I'm looking. I'm trying to keep up. Oh man. Fuck, man. I don't have my normal screen. Yo, it's number 1 through 50. Oh, somebody got it. Somebody got it. Somebody got it. Yo, BK got it. Here, look. is number 32. And BK was the first person that did 32. Yeah. BK! BK going straight to the ball sack. Straight to the sack. Yo, I think some of you guys are on delay. Yo, I think Zelda and Donna and Kisan are all on delay right now. Bro, happy birthday, AD. Yo, it's over. It's over. PK won. You know what it is? Some people are in delay. What up? Yo, what up, Delco? Yo, this is what I look like all the time. You guys, this is what I look like every time. This is exactly what I look like in person. The biggest difference is I don't have the here. Look. Tell me if I look different with the AI screen up. All right. Here, do I look older now? Do I look older to you in the photo? I feel like the background makes me look older, right? And then when I get rid of the background, I feel like it's nice and bright up in here. Yo, the camera is closer to me because it's the laptop cam. Oh, Sean. Sure you did, Sean. Sure you typed 32. Yo, you probably did, but yeah, they gray you out sometimes. Yeah, I don't know. Obviously, I shaved before I got here. I shaved yesterday. I think what was it, yesterday, 2 days ago? But I don't ever shave. I just buzz. I never shave with a blade. Gotta leave a little scruff. Yo, when the winter time comes, I'll grow out a beard. The 3D Cove was the best. What was the 3D Cove? I'm trying to think. Dude, where was I? It looked like I was coming out of the screen. Bro, I haven't made one trade in it. I should probably make one trade in it, right? Just to make sure I don't get fucking blackballed, I guess. All right, so I'm making one trade. How do I like it? It's the same as every other account. It's just, do I feel like I'm going to get paid? It's just, am I going to get paid? I have no idea. It works off a point system also. Like I got to make a certain amount of money for points. I don't really understand it. It's fucking weird. It's fucking real weird. Yeah, Stockitch. Listen, I'm probably not buying another one. I can tell you that right now. How they judge your trading days is weird. Like, I don't know. I'm probably just out on it. Just keeping it real. Tick Tick. I bought a straight to funded Tick Tick account because it was $98. No, there's consistency on it, Sean. You got to make points. Did you read? You didn't read the thing? There's consistency on it, dude. It goes on a point system. Bro, you better read the fine print, my dude. Dude, you just did a double negative. No, there's no consistency. There's no consistency. It works on a point system. Yeah, you need points. And you get 1 point every day. You're gonna need to trade this for 10 days, dude. Yeah, it's a point. You need 10 points. And so you need 10 days. Dude, it's fucking whack. Yeah, but you need 10 days of $250. 10 days of $250 is like $2,500. So you're probably going to fall within consistency if you got to make $250. If you got to make $2,500, you're probably going to make more. Dude, listen, I got it because Sean made me. Sean said I had to do it. I blame Sean. Oh, yeah, most will fuck it up. 1,000%. That's why it's there. That's exactly why it's there. What up, Chris? Yo, Chris, I'm by you, man. I'm not too far from you. You're over in Jersey, right? No, I'm on the island. Oh, I'm in Jersey. I thought you were in Jersey. Watch this thing. It's going to go all the way back up to 46. Just play in the range, ride in the range. Bro, this is some Asia market bullshit. Oh my god, my freaking ass from sitting on this chair. Dude, this chair is killing me. I'm sitting on a pillow. So many planes. I'm just waiting. I mean, if you want to get chopped up, you get in right now. Unless you're just playing the bottom of the range to the top until it breaks. Unless you're playing the edges. If you're edging, then you can make some money. Just keep edging. Sounds like I'm homesick. Dude, I'm ready to go. Listen, I miss being at my house trading. Trading at my house is so much better. Obviously. I got a full fucking setup at my house. Honestly, I don't know how you guys trade like this. I do not understand how you guys trade with like one laptop. I guess if you're swinging it, it's not terrible. I don't know what day we're going home. We're either going home Thursday or Saturday. I have no idea. My in-laws are sick, so we might have to head home earlier. I don't know what's going on. I just follow whatever my wife says. Um, oh, I said I got Gamecast, man, bro. Gamecast is awesome. I fucking love Gamecast. Oh, dude, I'm starving. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. I have an extra monitor. I have a 124-inch. So the screen that you're looking at is a 24-inch monitor. This is 24, and then I have my laptop. So, but at home, I have the screen you're looking at that's 24, a laptop plus two more 24-inch monitors. So I'm missing a lot of workspace, a lot of charts. Also, my computer is more powerful, so I'm running like a lot more charts and shit. Bro, this looks like one big fucking flag. Dude, every prop firm has something that you don't like. Intraday consistency. Yeah, I mean, every prop firm has something that gives them the edge. They have to have something that gives them the edge. You know, that's part of it. They have an edge in some way. Dude, this thing is just hanging. I think take profit trader is probably the best. It's probably the closest thing to your real money. You get take profit trader has, what do you call it? Daily payouts, which is super nice. I'm just looking. TPT has intraday on the funded, and then once you go to Pro Plus, it's end of day. So 5 days to get funded. Yeah, you could flip though. Like once you're over the limit, you could flip micros, which is a big help. You know, you're not stuck trading you know, you don't have to trade. You could just flip. That's usually what I do is I get over the limit and then I just flip the last day or two. Dude, this is fucking crazy. I mean, we haven't done anything for the last almost hour. Yo, what is this? Yeah, for the last hour, we've done nothing. We've just sat here. I've just sat here for the last hour just watching this do nothing. You would think they would push it up eventually. Come on. Yeah, I mean that's what I do is I'll flip one micro. I'll 1,000% flip a micro. You know, why not? So this is an eval. I've been just hanging in this. I've been in this trade for dude, I don't even know how long I've been in this trade. I'm just sitting here watching it. It's just sitting here. Yeah, evals have 50% consistency, but after that, fundeds have none. Every firm has their own little thing, man. Every firm has their own little thing. Dude, I mean, this is rough. I'm just sitting in here. Sitting and watching and waiting. There's not, you know, I wouldn't trade a funded account in this bullshit. I'm just hanging in an eval. What? I'll meet you there. Yeah, Kim, that's Quant Tower. I like Quant Tower for the ease of getting in and out and stuff. Dude, this is fucking bullshit. Well, you're going to watch me get stopped? Come on. By no means is this a good trade. I've been in this. I think I bought it. I think I bought it here or here. And I just said, fuck it. I bought it one of these places as we were coming up, thinking we would break out finally, but that was not the case. Try and I'm gonna head to the beach in a little bit. I'll head to the beach, and then what I'll do is I'll come back and trade Power Hour. Who keeps fucking calling me, dude? Oh, hold on one second. Hello? Hello? Good. What's up? Sure. What's going on? Oh, I'm all set with all that. I'm all set. You guys do. Yeah, I have somebody that does all that already. But you guys are at my house today getting rid of bees, I think. So I guess I'll. All right. All right. Sounds good. Yep. But yeah, no, I know the mic's on. I appreciate it. I know it's on though. I mean, it was my pest control company. I got bees on the back of my house and they were coming in my house. And I didn't know why. And then I went outside and I saw at the very top of my house, at the peak in the back, is like a nest that's like this big. And they were basically coming into my attic, I guess, and then finding their way through wherever. And I definitely use coupon code Cove Trader. Save me in my pest control. Dude, this thing just stopped me out of this. I think the yellow jackets is what I had. And so before I left, literally that morning, I put up 4 wasp traps, like these green things you get off Amazon. Bro, I put them up within 10 minutes. I must have caught at least 30 bees. I was like, holy shit. So I called the pest control company up and I was like, bro, they don't charge anything because I'm on like they charge me quarterly. So they can come to your house as many times as you need. So like I get field mice sometimes in my house. So they've done field mice. They've sprayed for ants. They've done bees a lot. They've gone to my house for bees. This summer alone, probably 7 times. I had wasps. They got rid of wasps. Yeah, they've got rid of I had a bee's nest in the ground. Dude, this shit was wild. And they got rid of that. I don't know. They've been pretty good. So now they got to get rid of this other nest. But I put these 4 traps out that have probably wiped. By the time now, I probably wiped out over 100 bees. Dude, bats are cool. I leave the bats. They eat all the bugs and shit. What up, Donna? What up, Turtle? Yeah, I leave them. I'm not gonna mess around with bats. I don't have like too many, but I definitely have them. And they eat like mosquitoes and shit. Bro, this price action is brutal. I don't even know what to do. Just fucking sitting here. Shit's wild. Mouse and squirrels. Yeah, I mean, I don't get any squirrels in the house. I get little field mice. They're like the really like the little guys. But I put down these glue traps and I get them. Yeah, I got stopped out. Tell a dad joke? Dude, tell a dad joke? I don't know of a good dad joke. Let's see if I can find a good dad joke. You ready? Let's see. Let's see if I got a good dad joke. Dude. Okay, you ready? You want a fucking dad joke? Remember, you asked for this shit. Don't try to cancel me when I tell you this, okay? I'm just telling you. I don't want to hear it that I'm getting canceled for the dad joke. You ready? What's the difference between a chickpea and a garbanzo bean? I've never had a garbanzo bean pee on my face. Oh, man. Too much? Is that too much? Too much? Is that not the dad joke you were looking for? Was that not it? Nah, that was it. Hey, man, once you ask, you open the door. I don't want to hear it. Yo, you can no longer enter the raffle for the dad jokes. Yo, somebody once complained after I said the dad joke. They fucking were like, they said something in the chat. Like, that's not funny. Dude, is this going to do what we did yesterday and just sell off the rest of the day? Is this just going to be a complete sell off here? We're sneaky. We're quietly down. Yo, can you check your email? I don't see my duck. Bro. We are quietly down 45 points from the top. Honestly, I think we pop and then we're going to just dump it out. I think we just slowly let's see what happens. A close over 509, I might take this. It's just quietly grinding down. That would be the move, though. Close over 509. I don't think we're going to go all the way up. I'm just saying maybe they push it back up to 29. Dude, this is some rough action. What? Yeah, a person can kick rocks. Dude, you ain't kidding. I just tell people, man, if that's not funny to you, then you're just on the wrong stream. If you can't have laugh and you don't like jokes and whatnot, you're just at the wrong spot, my friend. I don't know what else to tell you. Oh, am I gonna fucking take this thing? I don't know if I'm taking this because it looks good or out of fucking boredom, but I'm in. I'm in. I want to see it push out of here, though. Yo, I just turned this green. I got out because I got a little sun, but right here is the top of the orb at 518 is the top of the orb. You also have the 34 moving average here. Like, I don't fucking know. We have no real buying pressure, but I think it was a good scalp. I think there was money to be made. I'm just not holding this for like a swing back up. I also made 285 in this free. I went in with 3 minis on an eval. Yo, poker tonight? Woo! Maybe. I'll jump on my phone probably. Yo, boredom, baby. At least I'm honest about it. You know what I mean? I'm not like, ooh, this looks like a good trade because it's hitting the fucking 37% retrace. And I'm just like, yo, look, it looks pretty decent, right? We got a little inversion here. I'll take it. I'm a little bored. I'm playing the inversion, right? I'm being honest. Hey, man, I got fucking 5 points or something like that. What up, Mr. Anderson? Yo, what up, Alfred? Yo, this fucking price action is brutal. We might have hit the top though for the day. I wonder if we trade back to 522. If you look, you got a pretty sizable yeah. Market's constipated. Dude, I might fucking take this. You got a 5-minute. I'm gonna take this in this fucking. I want to see it and make sure it doesn't close above 18. I want to see it reject. If we start clearing all of this, then I'm definitely not taking it. I want to see a rejection right here. I'll slam it in my eval. Get a nice little rejection here. That'd be prime. I'm just watching. Trying to think what else I can do. See what happens. I would not trade this in a funded account, just an FYI. It is not a good setup for something like that. Because once you clear this area, you're probably going to get taken out. I'm risking, what am I risking? 10 points. Honestly, I think if it goes down, if it drops, I honestly think you could probably get a lot. To me, you're risking 10 points to make probably 40. We shall see, though. I'm risking 600 in a 150K account. Oh, come on. It's a great place to reject. You're hitting the top of the orb. You got the 50 and 34 right there. Like, stochastics are way on the 1 minute are way overbought. But who knows? Just trying to align probabilities up. Once I get if this drops like 5 to 8 points, I'll move to break even. Come on, come on, dump it. Yo, I need an amber turd right now. A big old amber turd. Come on, baby. Turn it red. Watch this next candle. I need 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds, and the next candle is gonna be red. Come on. No. No. It's gonna do me dirty. If this candle sells off, that's the second time they pushed it up and they sold it off. It has to get under 510 though. Like, if we hang out in this area for 5 more minutes, they're probably going to push it up. Come on. Big old amber turd right now. Bring us down. Bring us down to at least 505. Let me go to break even. See, I don't like that. Like, I want to see continuation. I want to see continuation. Yo, I need Trump to tweet something out. Give me a China. China. Come on. No, that's not what we want. Bro, the lawsuit thing was amazing. The trial was amazing. Bro, save 20% on a car. Coupon code Cove Trader. Dude, you got to see this video I downloaded at home. Bro, it's going to be just for you. When I make this short, I will tag you. It's going to be hysterical. Come on. The more we stay in here, the more I don't like it. I'm just throwing, that's just an FYI. The more we stay in this range, the more I don't like it. It's got to come out of here soon. Come on, get down here. Get rid of one. I'm going to break even. So you can't fucking lose now. You can't lose, guys. I'm out of a third and we're at break even. So it was a good fucking trade, right? We need continuation though. That's why I got rid of one. So I made 160 and we're at BE, but we need to continue down. Anyone take this with me? TJ, it could definitely move the market. 1,000% that could move the market. Oh! All right, so I'm going to move this down just a little bit. Come on. Dude, I mean, it's stuck staying above 23,500 is the issue. Either way, we made money. Like if you followed, you made money, it's up. I want more. I want more. Come on. Dump it, baby. These candles. Oh my God. Yeah, I bet you the ATR is so small. Shit's barely moving. Yeah, that's a good trade, BK. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Are we gonna hit the VWAP? I'm afraid they're gonna bounce it, to be honest with you, at 500. And I just want to take my money if they bounce it. There we go. Boom. So I thought that was pretty good. Not gonna lie, I thought it was pretty good. Dude, is this thing fucking working? Tell me this is working. I just don't think it's going anywhere. That's so crazy. I'm just looking at this thing. I'm trying to figure this thing out. Yeah, I mean, listen, people got to do the math, BK. Like, if you blow 2 accounts, but then you get a payout, that payout more than covers all your accounts. Like, so what? You blew 2 evals, call it $140, but then you get a $1,200 payout. Like, you're way in the fucking green. I think people don't look at it in that aspect. You know, somebody be like, "Oh, you blew these accounts." I'm like, "Yeah, but one payout fucking more than covers all the accounts." You know? And that's what you got to look at more than anything. Dude, this market's fucking rough. Well, I mean, there's more likely to go back up, but that's what I'm saying. Like, people don't realize, like, you know, you do that, it's you know, it covers all the accounts. Dude, this is rough. Yeah, it's just a numbers game, BK. How much do you spend and how much do you get back? It doesn't matter if you're blowing 10 fucking accounts. If you're one payout, say you blow 10 accounts and it's a say $500 or $800, and then you just take a $2,000 payout, you're fucking up, dude. I have Bulenox. It should be 91%, dude. Oh, they took it away. Yeah. Yeah, Cove Trader gets you 83%. Dude, that's crazy that they did away with the 91 off. But yeah, I used Bulenox before. Yeah, BK, but once it triggers and you're earning and you're profitable, like you got that knowledge forever. You know what I'm saying? Like I feel like you've taken out a few payouts really recently. Like you said, you're ready for another payout. I feel like last week you took a payout. Like you're basically taking payouts, you know, almost weekly. I feel like. Yeah, this is the worst week of the year. This is the worst week. I mean, this is brutal. Really doesn't get worse than this. Yeah, this will be your third payout. I feel like you've taken all those payouts within the last 30 days. Dude, this is pretty fucking bad. All right, I'm going to go head to the beach. I'll be back around 2:15, 2:30, guys. All right, I am heading out. I'll see you, 2:15, 2:30 today. I'll be back. If you want to support the stream, use code CoveTrader. There's a bunch of free shit in the description of this video also. People ask about strategy. There's a free futures course and a bunch of other shit. I might stream right now. I'm going to go on my other channel. I might leave the Ninja Trader thing up and see who actually, if anyone has any interest. All right. Peace.